Yep. Hello. So today's a busy day. Well, kind of busy. We've got these original lights to go back on at the back because I like the LED ones. We have also some smaller parts to go on. So we're gonna see how these look. Some canets which I got from Inspired Automotive. We've got some front splitter rods to try push the middle down. I do like the splitter and what I've managed to do with it, but I think the middle needs pushing down a little bit and held down so that it looks a little bit better. So we've got 2 of these to go on. We're also gonna clean the intake while we're at it, and then we've got some addish front light covers to go on too that my dad painted and sorted out for me. So yeah, that's today's activities. I'll try video as much as I can for you guys. Obviously sometimes life takes over. I'm not really into videoing that much at the moment, but I'll try and video as much as I can for you guys. Okay, to start off, I think I'm going to attack these lights. The plastic covers a bit. I mean, the plastic covers are okay, but they're not black anymore. So I'll probably need to replace them to get a better finish across the back. Spoiler's a spoiler. It's never going to change, but yeah. I'm going to try and attack these rear lights first, because they don't actually fit over the plastic trim. They're too wide, so you've got to take the cover off, then the trim off, and then the lights in that order. So there you go. It's the GIOMIC light cover. Everybody always asks me about these. Let's have a look. Yeah, everybody always asks me about these. They're expensive, £300, pre-tinted. But I did not pay for the Union Jacks that are on there at the moment. They came with a car, so to me, paying $300 for these was just like buying another set of lights. So. Nice and gentle. They come with a glue, like a glue sticky double-sided. I've got some double-sided tape, some extra to go on, so once we get to that we'll re-stick and then put these back on. But that's the glue that I'm on about. Easy enough. Yeah, with these, just take your time because they are clipped in different like groove points. So it's always wise just to take your time so you don't break them. I did break them last time, but this time they seem fine now. Just going to use some double-sided tape to make sure that they stay down and secure, like here at the top and here. So that was a good one. Right, now it's time I gotta get some more tools. If you ever taken off your rear lights, let's see if I can get in here with some light. Try my best. So yeah, whenever you're taking off your rear lights, there's this clip here where my finger is. Just here, look, yeah. There's this clip that you have to take off. And I think that's it, you know. I only think there's one connection. So we just used some Inspired Automotive SC Pro to clean the lenses. So really, yeah, it's a good product. It's really good. It cleans really well, quite quickly. All you have to do is mist onto your towel or something, and then just clean. So yeah, I'm always gonna clean these bits because they're off. Whenever you take something off, it's always wise to clean, just cause it's off, you might as well do it. Don't be lazy and just clean it. Just a quick look over. So those are the ones that are coming off. These are the ones that are coming on. I just prefer them, like the LED shape and stuff. Like these are okay, but I just don't think the build quality is good enough. You can see it's always leaking, like in the rubber here, you know, it's got holes in the rubber, and that's where the water gets inside, and when it starts it's really hard to stop it, so you have to reseal them all. And OEM's just better. Like OEM's just a better quality, so if you ever get the opportunity to go OEM, I would always try stay OEM. There we go. Maxing up. So what I'm going to do is I have some double-sided Scotch tape that's clear. So I'm going to cut this into thin pieces and basically go around the edges, like on this one. See if I can make it just, yeah, so just around the edges here. We're going to get rid of this one and put on a fresh one so that it does stick down and stay down. So with the lights, I'll show you on the next one, but with the reverse lights I upgraded to some LED bulbs. On these ones, just because I like them. Legally you're not allowed to actually have LED bulbs in your car like these on the road. They're too bright, so they are very frowned upon in terms of MOTs and stuff. And when you do buy them, it does tell you that it's for off-road use only. So if you're going to put them in your car, just be careful of that fact that you could possibly get pulled over and fined for it, because you're not supposed to run them on the road. But as you can tell, I put some on the indicators. I bought some more, put some on the indicator lens, because these are going to be double dark. They're tinted and I have the covers, so they're going to be quite dark. So I think it's going to be a decent way of getting away with having them in, but they are really bright. So just take that in mind. If people start flashing you and stuff, it could be because the bulbs are just too bright for them. So yeah, it's up to you whether you want to run that risk. I want to run the risk, so it is what it is. But yeah, basically we're just going to put these with the LED ones that I have in. These lights are so freaking slippy. And make sure that they are clipped in place. If you do come to OEM, there's these fins here on this side and this side. It's just so that you can interchange the two. It means that this piece you can use on both sides, not just one. So one side will slot into the board, the other side won't. So don't worry about that if you come across that. Just carry on as normal. Tell you right now, OEM is way better. Carry on, you've had to put sticky tape all around the edges. When you get them originally, they come with tape around, but it's still double-sided clear sticky tape, so we're basically just gonna do the same and then line it up. Give it a really good push. On. Yeah. And then we got number 2, and then we should be all good at the back. And then move around to the front. Okay, finish that. Go.